Hey guys, how's it going? So I just wanted to share with you guys another Facebook marketplace piece I just acquired for my LQ4 build here. So I ended up getting a TBSS Intake, which is a pretty good score. I paid 200 bucks for it. Not bad, really. I mean, y'all kind of know what these look like anyway. So yeah, I mean, it needs quite a bit of stuff. It needs fuel rails and what have you and all that jazz, but you know, hopefully with that and my 243 heads that I got off of Facebook Marketplace as well, I can put like a nice package together for the top end of my LQ4. So hopefully, I mean, those were 300 bucks. That was 200. So we're into like 500 bucks, which isn't too bad really for a top end. Yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys on that, and hopefully I'll be able to get that thing up and running at some point. It'd be nice next summer, but never any promises there. So okay, thanks a lot, peace, and